Yo, what's up everybody, man? It's your boy Kurt, you already know what it is. And today we got a special meet going on. It's me, Tez, and a couple of guys from the group. We all linking up and we're gonna go to this meet out in Ann Arbor, I believe. We're gonna go to the Autorama. And I don't know if y'all heard of the Autorama, but it's a car show out here in Michigan that showcases like a bunch of like built classic cars and stuff like that. So we're gonna see what that's about. But once I meet up with Tez and the group, I'm gonna get back to y'all. So y'all hold on tight. Alright y'all, we just met up with Sebastian. Got my boy Eldon right here. We finna head out to Jackson to the car wash, meet up with the rest of the boys, and then we gonna head out to wherever that meet is at. I'm not exactly sure where it's at, but it should be a fun time, so y'all stay tuned. Yo, that was close as hell. What the fuck? Oh my god. Hey! I missed! $50? Alright everybody, we're getting close to the wash. Eldon and Sebi behind me. I hope y'all enjoyed those runs on the highway. I missed third gear. No, I missed fifth gear. Fifth gear is my hardest gear, I'm telling y'all. Like if I'm racing somebody and I'm going into fifth, I always get stuck there. Like I always have to pause to get into fifth. I don't know what it is about fifth gear in this car. It might just be because I added this on and it kind of gives it extra length or whatever, but right now we're on this beautiful back road. And we're on the way to the wash, which is up the street. As y'all can see, Eldon and Sebi behind me. So once we get to the wash and we meet up with the rest of the gang, I'll turn the camera back on. My boy J Money, San, sir. I did, but it's good though. I see it. I had to pull the phone out because GoPro was dying, so I had to put it on the charge. That's my boy Sebi, man. He was out there with us yesterday. I recognize him. Yeah, I get all fluent shit. You know you're supposed to be around too. Oh, look at the inside, man. Look at the inside.
I mean, I like the inside. You gotta make this red, baby.
You say you gotta make it
You
red?
gotta make that shit red. Make it red. You gotta, because red is where it's at.
He big B's, man. You can't say nothing to him, bro.
Put that blue shit up.
Man, he got the red guts, though. You know what I'm saying?
Nah, you
neutral, bro. You good. You neutral, bro. My boy Josh over there. Reek. I think Tez washing his car. I'm not sure if Tez here or not. I ain't even finna wash my shit. I'm not even finna waste time doing that shit. What up, bro? What up? What up, bro? See Josh right here. My boy Rick. And it's an X in the bank 30 in my clip. Sir, Tez just pulled up. Y'all probably tired of seeing Tez's car on the channel. That's why I'm like, man, y'all know what it is already. Y'all go sub to him. Y'all know what it is, man. But we still got a bunch of people coming. I don't know, bro. That shit close. You all think louder, man. Tez or J Money. You probably can't tell on camera, but it seemed like Tez was louder than me. I don't know though.
Bro, you can feel my fucking. I can't feel my ankles.
You can't feel your ankles?
No, bro, this shit make my shit noodle.
What up, man? I'll go fuck with bro. Yeah, this bitch nice as hell. Carbon fiber front lip on there. You see that? I didn't even know that bitch was carbon fiber. What? Front lip and
This motherfucker carbon fiber.
it's carbon. Yes, sir. Y'all go fuck with bro, man. Works go crazy.
That's the Now that blue right
He said C8.
That blue right there.
That blue is so clean, bro.
Hurry up, man. Look at the 7, man. I'm gonna gap the shit out of his ass to get out the car. What's wrong with it? Look at it. I am awesome. Black and blue.
He's getting pulled behind the barrel.
The rims look really good on there, though. That bitch looks nasty.
Nice. I need a race. I love that blue.
I know we do. I was telling him we need to.
That's the manual, right?
Yep. I was telling him we need to.
Hold on, big dog. I gotta get you twice, so I'm gonna catch you rolling again.
That's my next upgrade. This is like my fourth time ever coming to a fucking meet. I'm trying to be done that.
Woo, that shit blowing. Ooh, sweet.
Man, this line is fast. I can't wait.
I gotta get him on him too. He gonna make the follow. You know what I'm trying to say.
Oh, I like that.
God damn, boy, that shit fire. Look at that military ass breed you got going on, boy. Boy, you finna go to Ukraine and flex on me.
What? That bitch hard as fuck. sir. So you put up to the mall. Everybody lined up.
Bye, have a beautiful time.